Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z5X and let me show you how to change keyboard language assigned to this device. So at first open new message or any other area where you can input some text. All you have to do is to have your keyboard displayed, and once you want to change your keyboard language you need to tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, select the language that you want to apply. Let me pick, for example, Arabic, then select the region, tap on done. You can remove unnecessary language by tapping on edit icon, mark the language and tap on bin icon, then go back, and here you've got it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.